How to put other story to your own story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can put someone else's story to your very own story on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now the process is very simple. First, just make sure to update the Instagram app, and you can do this by launching your respective app store. In the search box, tapping in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Instagram app, now I basically want you to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now basically, if I just open up a random story over here on the list, let's say, so if I select a random story, I will not be directly able to go ahead and then post their particular story to my own story because I'm not mentioned in the story. The only way you can actually put someone else's on your Instagram story directly is that if you're tagged or mentioned in that story. For example, you can see no one is tagged in this, so the only way to put this story is to take a screenshot of it and then add them in my story. But if I show you the other story on which I'm currently tagged, so you can see that I'm tagged over here, and you can see the option called add this to your story. The reason I'm saying this is because this person has tagged me. So if I select add this to my story, I'll basically be able to link their story directly onto my story. As you can see, I can even go ahead and change the resolution, size, and everything else. But just keep in mind that if you're not tagged in that particular story, you have to take a screenshot and then add them in that way. And hopefully this video answered a question as to how you can put someone else's story to your story on Instagram. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.